Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. As you probably know by now, I love a good format modification, so if you go back 2 weeks to the football mailer, you'll remember that I shared a technique that added a lot of excitement to a classic trifold. This week, I've got another modified trifold to compare, so let's take a closer look. This mailer presents itself as a normal trifold self-mailer with a mailing panel on the back and name personalization on the cover. Open it up and it's a pretty normal trifold until you get to the center. There's a short panel to the inside that works a bit like a little flag to call your attention to it. Strategically, it covers the letter, so you have to move it to read, and then you see the QR code and call to action. The panel is micro-perfed and can be removed too. Now let's bring back the football mailer because it's a similar technique, but the panel placement is different and the experience is different. The bonus panel is off the bottom and folded outward to be the first thing you see when you open it up. The shape is an L when unfolded, and the previous sample is inside and off the center panel, creating a T when laid out flat. I love that the two formats are both so similar and yet entirely different. Both add one panel to the right side. One is up front and off the bottom into an L-cross format, and one is tucked inside and off the middle panel, making a T-cross format. The two samples operated on different budgets. One has some extra bells and whistles with custom panel shapes and special print effects, and the other keeps things super simple with basic name personalization, but they both get the job done. It's so cool to compare the options and elements you can use to make any creative format work within your concept and your budget. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.